Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fuel filter is probably one of the most overlooked components in your Ford 6.7 diesel engine, but trust me, it's a crucial one. Today, we're diving deep into the Motorcraft fuel filter, a top choice for keeping your engine running smoothly. We'll explore why this filter is a must-have for any Ford 6.7 owner, and how it can save you from costly repairs down the road. Let's get started. Number 5. Motorcraft FD4625 FD4625 element. This is the Motorcraft FD4625 element. It's designed for specific vehicles. You can trust it to meet your vehicle's needs. The package dimensions are 25.908 cm in height, 17.018 cm in length, and 21.59 cm in width. It's perfectly sized for shipping and handling. The part number for this element is FD4625. This number ensures you're getting the correct replacement part. This element is designed to fit specific vehicles. This ensures optimal performance and easy installation. This product is made in the United States. You can be assured of its quality and reliability. What we like. This Motorcraft FD4625 is a genuine part, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It's designed to meet the exact specifications of your Ford. If you prioritize reliability and original quality, this is the filter for you. What people say. Quality OEM fuel filter that fits right and performs like the original. No leakage with a one-and-done install. The fact that this is an exact replacement means you can rely on this to last and keep your fuel clean before entering the injectors. Both filters are OEM, and there was an updated clasp that's included that goes on the return line. This clasp wasn't included on the 2017s or 2018s as far as I know. It is an updated part from Ford that they started installing on the 2019s to help from the return line coming off. It is a OEM part. It is two different filters. A black round filter and a rectangle exposed filter. The black filter, it installs under the truck hood near the firewall. It requires removing 3 fuel lines. These lines have push tabs and not clamps to connect and disconnect. Each fuel line has a different tab style, so you can't get them mixed up. The old filter twists about 1/4 of a turn, then pulls out. The new filter pushes in a twist, locks in place, then attach the fuel lines. The rectangle filter, this filter installs from under the truck next to the fuel tank. It requires removing bolts, then dropping the old filter out of the base the bolts are in. It comes with a gasket. Make sure you remove the old gasket and replace it with the new gasket. You place the new filter in the base and then bolt the filter base back in place. Number 4. FD4615 6.7 Powerstroke fuel filter for Ford trucks. Are you looking to maintain the superior performance of your Ford truck? This FD4615 fuel filter is designed to remove unwanted substances. Replacing it regularly can help prevent damage to your fuel pump and injectors. This filter is compatible with 2011 to 2016 Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty trucks with a 6.7 Powerstroke diesel engine. Please double-check the part number to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. It replaces Motorcraft FD4615 and Ford BC3Z9N184B fuel filters. This is a great replacement for a broken or failing filter. It's made with quality materials and rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM standards. The filter uses pleated paper to trap tiny particles, ensuring a clean fuel supply. This prolongs the engine's lifespan and improves performance. Though not a genuine Ford or Motorcraft part, it works even better and lasts longer. You'll receive one FD4615 fuel filter, an O-ring, and a 12-month warranty with lifetime technical support. If it fails on your truck, contact us for a replacement. Enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience. What we like. This filter offers 5-micron filtration, effectively removing contaminants. Its OEM design ensures a direct fit, and installation is straightforward. If you're looking for improved engine performance and fuel efficiency, this filter is a great choice. What people say. Nice filters that have done the job on my 2006 F350 truck. Work as advertised. Very impressed, was identical to factory filters, very hard to find aftermarket right now for this engine, incredible price, quality seems top notch. Number 3. AC Delco FD4625AA Fuel Filter. Introducing the AC Delco FD4625AA Fuel Filter. This is a genuine Motorcraft part designed specifically for your vehicle. It ensures optimal performance and efficiency. This fuel filter is a genuine Motorcraft part. It's built to the highest standards, guaranteeing reliability and longevity. Trust it to keep your engine running smoothly. The FD4625AA is made to fit your specific vehicle. It's designed for a perfect fit, form, and function. You can be confident in its performance. The part number is FD4625AA. This filter is manufactured to meet the exact specifications. It's a reliable choice for your fuel system. This fuel filter is manufactured to meet specifications for fit, form, and function. It's a quality component that you can rely on. Choose it for dependable performance. What we like. This is a genuine Motorcraft part, designed to meet the specifications for fit, form, and function. It's a reliable choice for maintaining your vehicle's performance. If you value the assurance of a genuine part, this filter is ideal. What people say. The functionality is excellent, it fits every time and installs without any issues. I've never experienced any leakage, and the fuel pressure stays consistent. These are OEM fuel filters, and all I use in my 6.7. The fuel filter kit fit my 2019 F350 diesel perfectly. Number 2. FD4615 Fuel Filter Kit for Ford 6.7L Powerstroke. Is your engine hard to start, or experiencing poor performance? A faulty fuel filter could be the culprit. This kit is designed to address those issues, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. This fuel filter kit is compatible with Ford 6.7L Powerstroke V8 diesel engines. It fits F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models from 2011 to 2016. Make sure it fits your vehicle. This kit replaces Ford BC3Z, 9N184B and Motorcraft FD4615. It's a direct replacement for the original filter, commonly found in your Ford truck. This ensures a perfect fit and function. Made with high-quality, durable materials, this fuel filter meets OE standards. It efficiently filters contaminants, ensuring optimal fuel flow. This helps protect your engine. The package includes 2 filters and a gasket for easy installation. The kit contains an engine-mounted filter and a frame-mounted filter. This makes the replacement process straightforward. What we like. This kit includes 2 filters and an O-ring for easy installation. The premium quality materials meet OE standards. If you're experiencing engine issues or want to proactively maintain your fuel system, this kit provides a comprehensive solution. What people say. Fits as it should on my Powerstroke. Easy install and perfect fit. First time to install one easy. Number 1. Motorcraft FD4626 Fuel Filter. This is the Motorcraft FD4626 fuel filter. It's designed for specific vehicles. This filter helps keep your engine running smoothly. The package dimensions are 26.4 cm high, 16.5 cm long, and 21.4 cm wide. It's a compact package, easy to handle. The part number for this fuel filter is FD4626. Make sure this is the correct part for your vehicle before purchasing. You can find this number on the filter itself. This fuel filter is designed for specific vehicles. It's important to ensure it fits your car model. Check the compatibility before you install it. The package weighs 0.642 kilograms. It's a lightweight product, making it easy to transport and install. It's a reliable component for your car. What we like. This Motorcraft FD4626 is designed for a specific vehicle fit. It's made with high-quality, durable materials. If you want a reliable filter that's built to last, then consider this one. What people say. Was exactly as ordered. Exact fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.